Hello everyone, this is Matthew's Tech Tutorials here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on basically on how to get used to Teamspeak and how to really use it. Basically, how to get the basics and the hang of it. So this is my Teamspeak server. So what you want to go, when you first start your Teamspeak server, there won't be any channels in this at all. So first of all, on your Teamspeak server, you probably want to set, firstly, let's say you probably want to set a name for your server. So you can do this at the top. Your server will be like Teamspeak server, and like a commas or brackets. Go right click and click Edit Virtual Server, and here you can change the server name. So you can just put something like Test or Gamers Server. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to keep it as default. You can set I don't know what this option means here, I'm not sure, I'll have to look into that. You can set a password, so if you don't want anyone else, any of the public joining your server, which they can see on the public TeamSpeak server list, you can put a password on it so that no one can join without the password. The maximum clients is how many slots it has, or how many slots you want your server to be open to. Reserve slots is, say I've put it to 2 because me and my friend run this server, so if the server ever gets full, there'll always be 2 more slots for me and him to join. The welcome message is, say if I disconnect and reconnect.
Disconnected. Connected.
This is here, this host message here. I don't know what's happening, I think it's lagging a little bit. It should load in a minute. Yeah, there you go. So
Channel switch.
Anyway, back to the thing. The icon, you can upload icons here. So if you want to click on icons, you can go onto addons.teamspeak.com. I'll put the link in the description. And you can find a load of server icons. As you can see here, I've got a load of icons down here, etc, etc. So yeah, let's start basically. So the host is, we'll start at the host section. So the host message is when I joined, then you obviously saw it say welcome to the server, blah blah blah. There's a preview there. The graphics here, the host banner, you put in your link for your picture. So I've put my picture here, and I've put how long I want it to be refreshed, but I don't need to be refreshed often, so I just put the longest time possible. The host button is this button up here, and that links to my Facebook page, but I'm going to be making one for my YouTube channel, so my subscribers can contact me easier. So yeah, that's basically the overview of that. So now once you've set up your server name and password and all that stuff, you want to start making channels. So channels is where you can join rooms and talk with different people. Like down here, I've got 5 people in one room, so if I join that room now, I can start talking to them. There's another guy in another room. So just think of it as if you're in a house basically, and you're in different rooms. You can't really hear each other until you're actually in that room. So now the next thing you want to do is, these are called spacers. Now these separate the channels out to make it better. So basically I've got a spacer here. I've got the name of the channel and another spacer to make it look smarter and basically neater. Separate sections, so I've got console gaming, etc, etc. So to create a channel, you're going to right click anywhere, click on create a channel. You can put a name, a password, and a description of the channel. You can set an icon if you wanted to. Now channel type, if you want it to be temporary, so when the last person leaves the channel, it will just instantly delete it. Semi-permanent is if you want it to be on for a certain amount of time, and permanent is obviously permanent, so it will never delete, it will always stay there, like these, because these channels have no people in, they're still there. Now the next bit is the audio. You can change the quality here. Don't worry about these presets, they're terrible. Just change the audio quality, so if you want best quality, it'll be 10, alright quality will be 5, and worst quality will be 0, which is like muffly. Permissions, this is if you want people to join your channel, so they'll need a certain rank, which I'll go into another video. This video is probably going to be about channels and stuff, so about the server basics. So that's the overview of the channels. So basically in my room now, I've got a main created channel. Now if I want another channel in this room, I can click on create sub channel, which will link to that main channel. So I can call it like room 2, make it permanent, click OK.
Channel created.
You can now see there's actually a room linked to the channel, so if I join this one,
channel switched.
You can see it's interlinked.
Channel switched.
So let's delete that room.
Channel deleted.
There we go. Sorry about that picture, it's my Teamspeak, so this is Funny picture anyway. So yeah, that's the general overview of the channels. Next, I'm going to probably move on to the next video now, which will be about part 2, which will be more about these, like colouring, the description, how you do all this stuff. So thanks for watching this short, simple video. Be sure to see part 2. I'm doing it in parts, so it's easier for me to upload. Hey guys, thanks for watching. See ya.